Turmeric has been shown to be able to prevent and fight many conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer. However, despite all these wonderful potential benefits, there seems to be a problem with actually getting turmeric to work in the body. Curcumin is the active compound found in turmeric, but our bodies seem to be unable to absorb most of it when we consume turmeric. This is because our liver may think curcumin is a foreign substance and so will make it water-soluble in order to get rid of it. So when we consume turmeric, we see only a tiny rise in the levels of curcumin in our bloodstream. However, there's a compound within black pepper called piperine that inhibits that process in the liver. Researchers found that by consuming just 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, the levels of curcumin skyrocketed. It's all been found that even just a little pinch of pepper, the equivalent of 1/20th of a teaspoon, can significantly boost levels. Another way we can boost curcumin absorption is to eat turmeric with a source of fat. This means that turmeric can be directly absorbed into the bloodstream through our lymphatic system, bypassing our liver. Another problem is that many people take turmeric in supplement form, and this doesn't seem to be as effective as consuming it in food. So in order for turmeric to be most effective in our body, we should first consume it as the whole root or root powder in food. Second, eat it with black pepper. And third, eat it with some sort of healthy fat such as nuts, seeds, avocados, or coconuts. Now, here is your recipe as promised. Pour 5 cups of water into a saucepan. Place the saucepan on the stove and bring the water to a boil. Grate a 2-inch piece of turmeric. Turmeric is very staining, so protect your hands and countertops from stains. You can also use powdered turmeric, if you don't have fresh. Thinly slice a 1-inch piece of ginger. Peel a lemon. Remember, just the peel. Not the white pith layer. Pith is very bitter. Slice the lemon in half and save for later juicing. Place the cut ingredients into the pot of hot water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add several grinds of black pepper. Stir. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Pour the mixture through a strainer. Squeeze the lemon into the strained tea. Pour tea into a cup. Add about a teaspoon of butter or coconut oil. Add some honey to your taste. Please enjoy.